When you suffer from arthritis, pain can drive you to look for things that will relieve your symptoms. And classically, doctors will talk to you about pills and shots and surgery, but there's a whole nother realm of things that you can use. These are topical agents that can help reduce your pain and symptoms. Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Adam Rosen. In today's video, I want to talk about different topical agents that you can use to treat your arthritis. So classically, we'll talk about pills and shots and surgery, but patients sometimes look for other things. And if you Google it and check online, you'll find article after article and studies from Mayo Clinic and the Arthritis Foundation that talk about these different topical agents. And I do recommend these to patients. I have a list of them that I give out in the office, and patients sometimes are curious about what else is out there. They may not be familiar with all of these different products. I have 16 that I'm going to cover for you today. If you do enjoy this content, leave a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. It really does help the channel. So number one, let's start with Bengay. Bengay is probably one of the most classic creams and ointments out there for arthritis. You've probably heard about it for years. You can smell it when grandma has it on and walks into your house. But this contains a topical anti-inflammatory, camphor, and menthol. And another similar product that basically has the same ingredients is Icy Hot. So Icy Hot's another brand here. Always see Shaq, advertising Icy Hot for his back. So these are options that you can pick up at the drugstore, at an Amazon, most supermarkets. Now, another product that I do recommend to some patients, not everybody likes it, is Capsacian. And you can find generics and brand name. And basically, it is the chemical in chili peppers, and it causes a tingling and burning sensation, which can sometimes distract you from pain and may decrease pain and symptoms. Aspercreame is another common over-the-counter cream that you can use. This contains lidocaine and an anti-inflammatory, and also diclofenac, which is the main ingredient in Voltaren, which I'll cover at the end, which has been a slightly newer player in this realm. Now, with Aspercreame and with a lot of these topicals that I'm going to talk about, there's not just one style. So each company might have 2 or 3 different versions, and each version might have slightly different ingredients. So be sure to check the bottle that you pick up and see which ingredients it contains. Now, another one that you'll see, and you see it a lot of like massage parlors, is Biofreeze. A lot of sports therapists will use Biofreeze on sore muscles, and it's something that you can buy at home. A lot of patients do find it to be temporarily helpful. Now, one that I used for years when I was rock climbing a lot when I was younger was Tiger Balm, because it was nice. It came in a little kind of jar, throw it in my backpack, and at the end of a long day, I could rub it on my elbows and sore muscles, and it contained predominantly camphor and menthol. Definitely did have a smell, definitely tingled and burned, but it was helpful and soothing. Now, 2 other ones that I've learned about in more recent years, Blu Ema. So Blu Ema, something you may not have heard about, actually has emu oil in it and aloe vera and a few other ingredients. And a lot of my arthritic patients find it to be really helpful. And another one is called Australian Dream, and this contains a histamine product which causes a vasodilation. So for patients that find that heat is helpful and soothing for their arthritis, the Australian Dream may be an option for you. Now, another common product that, especially for my patients that are into more homeopathic style medications and treatments, that I've recommended for years, is called Traumeel, and this is out of Germany. It is predominantly arnica with 14 different botanicals. So it's their proprietary sort of mixture. And a lot of people find it to be really, really helpful. I've used it before and it does help. So something that you can check out. If you're looking for straight arnica, you can usually find generic arnica or Arnicare. And again, homeopathic anti-inflammatory, which can help soothe inflammation and swelling and pain. Now, another common one that you'll hear about commonly is Salon Pas. And Salon Pas, again, like some of these other ones, has multiple varieties. Most of them contain a topical anti-inflammatory and menthol, but you can even find some Salon Pas patches that have lidocaine, which is a numbing agent, which can help soothe symptoms. Now, what I talked about previously, which is in Aspercreame, one of the components is diclofenac. So diclofenac has been a long-standing oral anti-inflammatory that was available in the United States by prescription. And when Voltaren came out, this was the really first topical prescription anti-inflammatory. It's now available over the counter. In the United States, you can get the 1% version. If you do go to Canada or Mexico, they have a higher concentration that a lot of people find helpful. So I know patients that will pick up a couple bottles when they're out of the country, and they find that to be helpful. But this is an anti-inflammatory cream that you can rub on your arthritic joints. Now, the benefits and risks for patients that can't tolerate oral anti-inflammatories because it upsets the stomach, a topical anti-inflammatory reduces inflammation at the site of the problem and bypasses the stomach. A very small amount of it is absorbed, so you always want to check with your cardiologist if you're on a blood thinner, or your kidney doctor if you have kidney disease, just to make sure they feel that it is safe for you to use. Now, a newer player on the market now is Advil has a topical agent, which has 4 ingredients, has a topical anti-inflammatory menthol, capsaicin, and camphor. And that also is designed to help reduce the pain and symptoms of arthritis. Now, some other products that I've recommended to patients over the years, 2 from a company called Corganics. They are based out of Texas. They have a product called their Corganics Relief Cream, which has a number of ingredients, but peppermint, eucalyptus, lavender, menthol, MSM, and a few others that helps relieve, soothe muscles and joints that are sore. And the other product that they have, their main line is CBD products. So they are a big favorite in orthopedics, in oncology, in plastic surgery, because doctors know that when they get CBD from this company, that it is CBD. If you're not familiar, the marijuana plant produces THC, which is the psychoactive component that gets you high, and CBD. And CBD has a lot of medical benefits. There's a whole system in our body called the endocannabinoid system. And if you go to one of these dispensaries and pick up a CBD cream, most commonly it's going to have some THC in it. So if you want to get high, I have no problems with that. But if you're an 80-year-old lady in my office and you don't want to get high, or you're going to be at risk of falling because you got woozy from this cream, we want to make sure that you're getting what you're looking for, which is straight CBD. But a lot of products that you buy over the counter also have contaminants, so fungus, mold, heavy metals. And this company does their due diligence in getting third-party testing to make sure that all of their products are THC free and free of those other contaminants. So the CBD cream is a little pump bottle, 1 pump. It's usually enough for your whole knee, and you can rub it on the knee and it decreases pain, inflammation, and swelling. And the last one that I'll share with you, if you follow my channel, you know that I recently got back from India and I was studying at the Tibetan Medical School, Mensei Kang, in Dharamsala. And one of the questions I had was, hey, what treatments do you use with your patients when it comes to arthritis? So there's this 4,000-year-old herbal remedy, this traditional Tibetan medicine arthritis oil, which contains soybean oil, walnut oil, juniper, Szechuan pepper, and a few other ingredients. And it's one that you can rub on the joint and it temporarily decreases pain and symptoms. So that's a lot. Hope I didn't bore you. Hopefully I gave you a couple options. If you haven't heard of some of these, it gives you a kind of way of trying some different things out and seeing if they help soothe your symptoms from your arthritis. Now, I am sure that I did not get everything out there in this video. So if you are someone that has something that you use that you find to be helpful, put it in the comment section, because I am sure that there are other people out there that will find that topical agent beneficial for their arthritis. And as always, until next time, stay safe. I'm Adam Rosen. Thanks for watching.